Today, we have a quick and useful tutorial for all iPhone users. We will guide you through the simple steps of changing the name of your iPhone. The name change feature on your iPhone can help you easily identify your device when connecting to Bluetooth devices or computers. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step guide on how to change the name of your device. From the home screen, locate and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, find and touch the option called About, which should be the first option on the list. Tap on the Name option to change the name of your iPhone. Now, it's time to get creative. Change the name of your device to something that easily identifies it. You can use your own name, a fun nickname, or anything that suits your preference. Once you've entered the desired name, tap on Done to save your changes. Now, whenever you connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC, you'll be able to easily determine it by its personalized name. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the name of your iPhone for better device identification. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech content coming your way.